How to send reports to email automatically. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to your workflow on your actual n8n. I have in here the schedule trigger that on every form submission, it will summarize the actual things that had been added onto the form. So I want the report on that and I want it sent to my email. To do it, click on this plus icon on the end of your chain, click onto the search, and you can search right here for email or Gmail. So here we have Gmail, or we can also choose right here the send email option. Let's choose in here this send email. And you can input right here the credentials as well as the from email settings and the links. So for this, we can actually just get over right here the actual workflow and add it right here. So we need to actually trigger or we need to change this summarize. So this summarization will actually send the actual report to your email. So if you haven't added the summarize option yet, make sure to add it in order to send reports automatically. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.